Hello, I'm Dylan Wellman, the team lead for Trail Tech Engineering. Our project is the River Park Trail Rehabilitation and Upgrade Design in Buena Vista, Colorado. The park is a very important element to the town and its community, and our job is to increase safety and accessibility throughout the park. Within our project scope, the client identified 3 components they wanted us to address. First, the Walton Loop Trail. This is a frequently used bike loop that circles the outer perimeter of River Park, in which our design addresses completing this bike loop and incorporating it into existing infrastructure. Second, the Sidewalk to Nowhere. Our design extends an existing sidewalk to the park's bathhouse, which borders West Main Street. Finally, stormwater conveyance. Poor stormwater management has caused the softball and baseball fields to collect pooling stormwater, which in turn leads to field damage and unusable recreational space. Our objective was to design solutions to address accessibility, connectivity, and drainage, all while incorporating ADA compatibility into all of our design decisions. Using LiDAR data and AutoCAD Civil 3D, Trail Tech Engineering developed 2 distinct design packages that balance client needs with cost efficiency, safety, and overall feasibility. Now, members from our design teams will give you a more in-depth understanding of each aspect of the scope, along with the design decisions made along the way.
Hi, I'm Ben Elick, a member of our sidewalk design team. Ella Fleming and I were responsible for developing design alternatives for the extension of the Sidewalk to Nowhere. Currently, visitors of the River Park have no safe route to reach the bathhouse from East Main Street on foot. We developed 2 alternatives to address this issue. Alternative 1 is a route along the eastern side of East Main Street, providing the most direct line of travel. Alternative 2 borders East Main Street on the west side, which allows for a more direct alignment with the bathhouse. Both designs are within all applicable county, state, and federal design standards for sidewalks. We used high-resolution LiDAR data to ensure slopes comply with ADA standards, providing a safe and inclusive experience. We will use 5-inch concrete for the sidewalk, given the expected loading.
Hi, I'm TJ. The trail team's goal for the Walton Loop was to complete the existing trail system and to promote connectivity throughout the entirety of River Park. My focus was on Trail Alternative 1. In this design, we prioritized more gradual alignment with a wider turning radius that cuts through the existing gap in the trees. This alternative is more pedestrian and biker friendly, but does come with the cost of clearing native vegetation in order to work.
Hi, I'm Kellen Ferry, and I designed Trail Alternative 2. This is our minimally invasive approach where the trail layout follows along the existing trail, which is the main difference from Trail Alignment 1. As a result, this alternative limits the removal of native vegetation, but does have to have a sharper initial turn by the north end of the pickleball courts in order to work. After that, both Trail Alignment 1 and 2 have the same design until connecting to the existing sidewalk along South Main Street. For both of our designs, we chose crusher fines as the trail material. This keeps construction costs low and maintains the park's natural look while providing a stable, durable, and accessible surface. Either option will address the needs of the client and community of Buena Vista.
I'm Matthew. Joseph and I handled the drainage design. The park's pathways between the fields were effectively acting as retention areas, staying saturated long after storm events. Our designs focus on moving this water efficiently away to separate non-problematic locations. Alternative 1 uses a 524-foot open ditch combined with a 426-foot pipe system. This leads into a forebay with riprap, which filters the water and slows it down. This allows the water to be dispensed into the Arkansas River. Alternative 2 uses a basin using the same ditch with a 314-foot pipe to move the water into a 1-acre basin. This then will get drained into groundwater over a set period due to the infiltration rate of the soil. Both of these designs have been made with protecting the fields and extending the season for local sports leagues in mind.
To conclude, Trail Tech Engineering developed 2 packages for the town of Buena Vista. Package A includes a minimally invasive trail extension, the Eastern Sidewalk Edition, and the robust drainage system. Package B features the ergonomic trail, Western Sidewalk Edition, and the alternative drainage design. After a cost-benefit analysis and input from the town of Buena Vista, Trail Tech Engineering recommends Package A. Package A is the most cost-friendly choice and is the easiest to construct. By our estimates, Package A could be completed in a single summer season, minimizing disruption of the town's tourist traffic while quickly providing solutions to the town. We have delivered a full set of 2D and 3D construction drawings and technical reports ready for immediate action. We'd like to thank our sponsor, Earl Richmond, and the town of Buena Vista for the opportunity to improve this vital community space. We are confident these designs will serve the River Park for years to come. Thank you.